Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day, and today is day 132 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is accolade. The meaning of the word accolade is an award or privilege granted as a special honor or as an acknowledgement of merit. I repeat, it's an award or a privilege granted as a special honor or as an acknowledgement of merit. It can also mean an expression of praise or admiration. Now, let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word accolade better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, he's been granted the ultimate accolade, his face on a postage stamp. So, here, accolade is being used as a noun. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word. The synonyms can be honor, recognition, or applause. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be criticism or reproval. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this given word accolade better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड accolade को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was, he's been granted the ultimate accolade, his face on a postage stamp. So he's been granted the ultimate praise or the ultimate honor. Now, when we translate it into Hindi, the sentence says, उन्हें उच्चतम सम्मान दिया गया है, एक डाक टिकट पर उनका चेहरा. तो यहाँ पर accolade का मतलब है सम्मान. So guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, to understand this given word accolade better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.